Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. Now, if you look at Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P 500, they both closed very mixed. Now, if you look at Dow Jones closed at 152 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 258 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 21 points positive. So, however, Dow Jones slipped close to 150 points, but there was a buying visible across the IT stock, AI stock, these sectors, SaaS companies, the buying was seen. So Nasdaq jumped close to 258 points, so very positive for Nasdaq. So Nasdaq hit all-time high again. So very positive for IT, SaaS companies, AI companies in US market. Now let's talk about FII for our market. Now FII in previous session they sold close to 8,000 crores. DII they have bought close to 3,400 crores. Now, SGX Nifty showing a gap up opening of 115 points. Now, Asian markets, I will say mostly flat. Nikkei is up. Rest, everything is very flat. Now, Brent crude is now at $108 per barrel. So, Brent crude is trading at $108, still trading at very high levels. Rupee is now at 94.9, I think $95. So, Rupee is now again its low, and Brent crude is now close to its high. So these two things are very much concerning for our country, especially for our country. These two things are very much bad for our country. Now let's talk about our market, right? Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yesterday we saw a sharp decline, down momentum in first half, but later we saw a strong bounce in Nifty and in across the market close level to 23,800. So I've been repeatedly telling you that 23,800 is a very strong support, and market is constantly taking bounce from 23,800. So 23,800 is going to be the strong support for Nifty, and on the upside look at 24,200. 24,200 looks very strong resistance levels on Nifty. So once we break these two range, however, the most likely to break these two range is today. So today the election results are there. So in 5 places we have election results. So first is most awaited Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Kerala, Pondicherry. So these 5 states we have election results. So if the current ruling party head party will win in these states, then market is likely to break in upside direction. So market likely to break 24,200. Now the support will become 23,800 and the resistance now 24,200. My expectation is market to break 24,200 in the upside, more or less. Now Bank Nifty, if I talk about, so strong support from 54,300 from those levels. Now the resistance will become 55,500. So this is for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Again, now one more thing, that election results is also there, but we have to also focus on corporate results. Now a lot of corporate results are there. Let's discuss one by one. So Adani Ports came out with results. Revenue is up by 26.50%. Net profit is up by 10.40%. Adani Enterprises revenue is up by 20% and net profit has declined by 105%. Now Bajaj Finserv revenue is up by 17% and the net profit is up by 22%. Now Hindustan Unilever revenue is up by 4% and the net profit is up by 21%. Kotak Mahindra Bank net profit is up by 6% and revenue is up by 9.90%. Maruti revenue is up by 2.8% and the net profit is negative by 6.40%. Now Eternal net profit is up by 196% and if you look at net profit is up by 346%. So these are the results. I know it's a lot to digest, but these are the corporate results. However, in this I'll say all are mixed, I will say. However, I didn't like Eternal results much. The profit is not at all growing from constantly quarterly basis. But if you look at Bajaj Finserv, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Maruti, Kotak Mahindra Bank, look at Kotak numbers, they are fantastic numbers. So these are my view. Election results will be on there 8 a.m. The counting will start and market will be live during the results. I think so. and the market will be reacting to the numbers of election results. So let's see, it's a much awaited election results, how the whole country is waiting what will be the result outcome. So this is the view. Watch closely on election results. You can go to any news channel, you can go to any money control website, especially money control and all these things. There you will find the election results. So this is where you will find everything. So this is the end of this pre-market video. I hope you would have learned a lot. I hope you would have taken the notes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.